In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up post-purchase flow Klaviyo. What you have to do is to go to, of course, flows. After clicking that, you can click create flow. So we have some essentials here. Since this is a post-purchase flow, this one should be clicked. Let's click that. When we are just starting, we need guides, we need a template. And this one is the easiest way to set up a post-purchase flow. So we'll click create flow now. So our trigger is when someone placed order and the flow goes on. If you would like to modify some information here, you can do so. You just have to click it there and you can edit. There you go. That's about it. That's how you can set up post-purchase flow Klaviyo if you are still a beginner. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.